Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Actually, this is like my first video on my channel because I never really did YouTube before. So if you're watching this, please subscribe, like, and post the bell. So yeah. Today, as the title, I am gonna be doing two different hairstyles tutorial. The first one will be a slayback ponytail. And the second one is going to be a normal ponytail. So what I'm going to do first is I already brushed down my hair. But I'm going to brush it more because it needs more brushing. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to actually put some of this. But before I do that, I will break my hair out so I can do the slayback first. Let me just put you right there so it can be better. Okay. So what I do when I do the slayback is I grab like a piece of my hair right here. Right there, and it's supposed to be like that. Then I grab it like that, and I break it apart, and then I grab my thing like that. Okay, and then go like this, and make sure it looks like that. So this part right here would be the slayback, where you go like that and you push it back. So, and I'll slay back. Then this part's supposed to be like that, line in the middle right there. If there's like a hair block in it, the line, push it, it's supposed to be like that. Then you're gonna break it down like that. Now after that, it's gonna have to turn out like this, like that. It's gonna turn out like that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to actually just grab it from the thing, go like this, grab it from here, put it back in, and this is a leave-in conditioner lotion, so yeah, this is very helpful. The brand is like Cantune. You probably might have seen this before, but like if you haven't, I recommend it for your hair. It's very good to like make it smooth. So yeah. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the part that I'm gonna slay it back. I'm gonna grab this, rub it on that part, and then rub it around. And then I'm gonna grab it again and rub it on this side. But then I'm gonna just put it back. For this video, I'm not gonna do edges because like I really am practicing still. So like whenever I get used to doing the edges and I get like to doing them right, I'll like post them in my videos like for tutorials. And right now I'm just not like into like edges that much because like they get messed up quick and I'm still practicing. So I'll update you guys on that when I am gonna post a video of me doing my edges and a new hairstyle. So yeah, I'm gonna now push it like that. Now for this thing, if you guys want, you guys could do your edges, but I'm just not. So for this, I am gonna push it back, right? And then you don't need to cover your eyebrow, but like how I mostly do it is like I cover like this right here. Okay, I cover this half of my eyebrow right here. And then I go like that. And I brush it down. Then I cover it. If you guys are liking this video right now, shout out to you guys. So now I'm gonna do that. Now I'm gonna grab, as you can see, it's perfectly good. But if it messes up, it's okay. You can always do it again. Okay, then you wanna smooth it back with your hands. And you wanna grab it right here, put it behind your ear. That's okay if you mess up, that's usual. Okay, if you mess up, you go like that, you leave it behind your ear, but then you go like that again. You push it back and you push it back. So like that. So it's supposed to turn out like that. Now, I'm gonna grab this side and push it like that. So that it's all good. Now, what I'm going to do this side is I will brush it down like that. Okay, make sure it's all smooth. Then I'm gonna push it back with the brush back. Then I'm gonna go here, do the same with this. If I mess up, it's okay if I mess up. That happens mostly to me a lot, but it's still good because you could always try again. So now I'm just keep doing it until it turns out perfect. Now, okay, I don't want it too far because I don't really like it like that. It's gonna be making you sweat. So if you sweat a lot during the hotness, I don't recommend you like cover your whole thing right there. Recommend you do it like how I do it, like halfway, a little bit. Now I'm gonna grab it like that as I brush back. I'm gonna grab the brush and I'm gonna push the back part. I'm gonna grab it again, like that. And for this, you can do it however way you like. It's easier for you. If you want to do it like high, you can do it high. If you want to do like high and turn it into a bun, you can do that. But I'm just gonna do it like this and put it into a low ponytail. And then I'm gonna brush it. Then I'm gonna fix this right here. Okay. And then I'm gonna push it. Okay. Now I have my hair tie, and I am going to actually, let me try fixing this part real quick. Okay. Okay. I'm actually going to, wait. I'm actually going to put this right here. Okay, now I'm gonna tie it down, and I have 3 ribbons. I recommend you could do like 3, cause like it can hold it tighter, but 1 or 2 is fine. It don't exactly need to be 3. Now I'm gonna tie it. Okay, now I have it tied. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix this right here. And then when you finish, you want to grab this and brush it down slowly so that this part don't mess up. I'm going to grab it, I'm going to brush it down. And if you want to keep it poofy, you can keep it poofy, but I want it like that. And then do the final touch. This is how you do the sleigh back ponytail. And yeah, it's actually good. I don't really like this one as much because it's like very hard to do, especially with this part. It look messed up, as you can tell. It already is. But comment down below, what would you give this one? What would you give this rate of a 1 out of 10? Pretty sure I'll give this probably a 5 or a 6 because I don't really like this as much. But yeah. Now it's time for the next hairstyle. Now what I'm going to do for this hairstyle is I am going to be doing the ponytail. So the ponytail I really love. It's very simple, easy, and yeah. So for this one, you don't really need to use this, but I will, just in case you guys like pick to do, if you guys pick to do both of them, like one day or another, I'll recommend to use this. For the ponytail, yeah, for this one, yeah, you really need this one, but I am not going to use this for this time because I already have some of my hair. But yeah, you guys, I would recommend you put this in your hair, but I will skip this part only because I already have some, and it's not that good to leave a whole bunch in your hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, so if you have in your hair, it'll obviously like stay. But like yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I will destroy this, mess up my hair, make it puffy again. Okay, so my hair's messed up, obviously. Of course. Okay. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just do the I think I'm gonna actually just do like that, the high one. If not, I'm gonna do like a middle one. But yeah, let's do whatever it turns out. So what you're gonna do first, if you wanna grab your left side first. You wanna brush it back. You wanna brush it until you feel like it's smooth. Next, you wanna grab the one next to it. You wanna brush it back, smooth. You wanna do the same thing to the middle. Brush, then to the right. Brush. Now, when you feel like it's all smooth, that's when you would want to get to the tying parts. You want to grab your hairbands, put them in your arm, so then you're ready to tie. Okay. Now, you're going to grab it and brush it again, but this time you're going to hold it all together, like that. See how my hand is going up? I will leave it down. My hands down. Then I'm going to grab it from the back like that. So I grab my hands like that, and I push it from my neck like that, up. Then I grab it. The same thing. Up, grab. Now I'm going to just grab it like normal from the back. Now I'm going to brush it and grab it all my hand. Now, you want to grab it all together and then use your hands to brush back also. Now, when you feel like it's smooth, you could brush it more if it's a little rough. But if it's smooth, you could hold it. And I'm going to just do the middle one. I'm going to hold it like that. And then I'm going to let it go. No, not let it go. Tie it with my 3 headbands all together. And then you want to tie it tight. And now you're going to let go. And you're going to grab it from the back and push it. Separate. Then you're going to grab it. Separate your hair. Then you're going to brush it down. And separate it more. And then, yeah. That's how you do a basic ponytail. I actually like this hairstyle more because it's like more convenient to do, and like if you're like in a rush to go somewhere, it's much like faster. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video on tutorials, and I'll love to do more next time. Bye!